This session will guide residents, program administrators, directors, competency coaches, or committee members on accessing and understanding a learner's dashboard. Please feel free to pause this video in any section to read that particular step or instruction. We'll begin by opening the learning path. Academic and competence committee members can access learner curriculum by clicking on the Learner Curriculum option on the left-hand side menu. You can click on the specific learner's name to view their details. Program administrators, directors, and committee chairs can also access learner curriculum the same way as previously mentioned. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of learner progress, featuring various tabs. These tabs include details, EPAs, supporting documentation, assessments, and program evaluations, offering a complete picture. The EPA tab automatically updates with submitted forms, showing overall stage progress and the number of completed EPA forms. You can also add private or public notes for specific users. Users can upload supporting documentation, which is visible to those with appropriate access rights. The All Data filter allows you to refine the displayed EPAs by criteria like date range or contextual variables. Learners can upload personal reflection documents, choosing to keep them private or share them with authorized personnel. Simply drag and drop files or click to upload, then select Privacy Settings. The Assessments tab lists all learner assessments and their completion status. You can filter results, sort columns, and export or print evaluations for a detailed review of performance. This section lists registered events and attendance status alongside completed procedure logs. Supervisors cannot view or review these logs, and a submitted status indicates final logs. To generate a summary report, select the desired items, including data range, stages, EPA details, and attendance. Click Generate to populate a PDF report with your chosen criteria. The Learner Summary Report provides a detailed overview of a learner's progress, including their program, learning plan version, and current stage status. It also breaks down EPA completion and milestone achievements. The review dashboard displays competence committee meeting documents and recommendations. Users can download templates, upload completed documents, and view the status of each requirement, ensuring a clear review process. Thank you for watching this guide.